Welcome back to Wicked Auto. Today we're putting in a dash cam. With all the crazy shit that goes on in this country anymore, I think it's a good idea to have a dash cam. It's by far beyond time for a dash cam. So let's put this in. So, FitCam X. Let's open the box. Okay. Accessories, dash cam. Get support, an email. Get back to you 24 hours. Don't receive a reply within 24. Check your spam and junk folder. So they want to reply within 24 hours. So that is pretty nice as long as they stick to that. User manual. They do have an app to where you download, or you can view and download your dash cam, because this does have an SD card. Let's go ahead and get these box opens. We're going to start with the dash cam box first and go from there. Dump these out. So these would be, because I got the front and the rear, so front and rear dash cams. I have to go and get them out of the bags. What is the accessories? Okay, box to the side, so you get a little Allen key with one screw and two nuts, it looks like. The harness to go from for the dash cams to go into your factory wiring. Trim removal tool and USB. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and get into the truck. Okay, so went ahead and unwrapped the stuff before we get into the truck, and I was actually incorrect. So I did not get the front and the rear, only the front. This other thing that they sent is a little suction cup to take the video. I think I can get the video taken. But, I mean, it's still nice, I guess. So, only the front, no rear. But this is still the harness to plug in to your factory. So, this one will go into the factory harness, then plug into this, the front dash cam. And then this one will go to that. Okay, now let's get into the truck. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is remove this screw right here. It is a T20. So that way you can put the mounting bracket for the dash cam. Because like I said, it hooks right onto this one. It gives you a really nice factory look. I will say that. Okay, so that stays. So then you just take the bracket. Now this was already on the dash cam. You just pop it off. It has these little tabs on here. So then, and it has the little extra piece to, for the support that sits right where your factory screw goes. Sits on top, and then the screw that they give you, you just put back in there. Now the screw that they give you, they replace, is a T25. So let's take this, put this back in. So you just want it hand tight, you don't want it too tight. So that's in. Now, move this out of the way. You unplug your factory wiring to your rear view, plug it in to the supplied harness that they give you. Get it to fit in there, right? Maybe. Okay, so it's in there. That in, and you plug back into your rear view. Plug back in. So now this one will plug into the dash cam. So let's take the little covering off the glass of the camera. Pull this through there. Snap that into place. It does have a tab on it, so make sure you line them up correctly. Plug that in. Then take the little bit of extra, all right, because we want a factory look, so we don't want that hanging down. But there's room inside the dash cam. Just put that in there. Tuck that in. Okay, there it is. So now the camera's good to go. Let's see. I can't see it from sitting in my seat. I don't know if you can see me sitting here driving. I can't see it. It's perfectly behind the rear view. And it lines up perfect with the windshield. I mean, that's a pretty nice setup, actually. I like how it's designed, I do. Now, let's get it turned on. Connect the app. Of course, there's an app to download and view, whether it's live viewing or you can download them for use. I mean, if something happens and you need to use the video from the dash cam, you have that ability because the dash cam actually comes with a 64 gig memory card as well. Right there. The memory card slot that it comes with is right there. Hopefully you can see that in the video, that slot. Like I said, it does come with 64 gig. So let's go ahead and connect to the app, make sure it's working, and then let's get some footage, see how the quality of the dash cam actually is and what it captures. As you can see, the quality of the video is really good, and you can adjust the quality of the video, but this is on the highest setting. My only gripe is the license plate. Although you can see they're on the vehicles, you can't actually make out the license plate, which in the case you need to use the video from the dash cam, you kind of need to see the license plate. So to me, that is kind of a problem. They are supposed to kick on. Some models of their dash cam are supposed to kick on 6 to 8 seconds after the vehicle has been hit if it's parked. So these turn on when the vehicle's on. If the vehicle is off, parked, somebody hits your vehicle, the dash cam will turn on 6 to 8 seconds after the initial hit. So that is one thing to consider as well. Like I said, only some models do that though. That's it for the video. Think about getting a dash cam. Okay, it is something just to protect you and your own in case something should happen while you're in the vehicle. I mean, people are getting grimy and just untrustworthy more and more every day. So it's just something to protect you and your own. Comment, like, subscribe. See y'all next time.